Here at Military Makeover, in addition to changing the way the home looks, we want to create a healthier home for our veterans. And Brian from Enagic is here with this amazing machine, Kangen Water.
Enagic is a company that was founded in 1974, and we make these amazing water filtration and pH machines. It has a number of uses. So I'm going to go ahead and get the water flowing here.
Okay, and this is just hooked up through your regular faucet.
Correct, yeah.
And this sits on your countertop, plugs in.
Yep, and you just press a button to get the water that you want.
Yeah, this is delicious. You know, it's very fresh. It's crisp. You don't have that sort of aftertaste of chlorine and fluoride and all that stuff.
Go ahead and throw those in there.
Okay.
Great.
What is the pH setting?
This is the 11.5 strong Kangen water.
Got it.
And this is the one that's kind of the degreaser.
Gotcha.
So if I poured this into just a glass of sesame oil, it would immediately emulsify and interact with that oil.
Basically what you're saying is our produce is grown, it's manufactured, it's sprayed with fertilizers and pesticides that are oil-based, petroleum-based in many cases.
Correct.
And as much as you wash this in regular water, it's not going to get any of that stuff off.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what, no joke, they actually taste different. You taste more of the tomato. It's like you picked it off the vine in your backyard that you're growing organically.
Some people even notice like there could be a little texture change too, but yeah, off the vine is the point.
Brian, seriously, thank you for coming and bringing this amazing product to this family. They are going to be healthy, well, and focused on recovering from their past traumas, and you're a big part of that.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to help the family. We really are excited to be a part of this.
Okay, let's go make a salad.